recreating all the olden times. We did not expect this much. This is really beautiful.
Yeah, all the vessels and all the things which we're using, it is like for us, it is we have already seen it, but our kids, it's the first time, so it was a great experience for them. So wonderful to see different cultures in one space, and thank you for this opportunity.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸೊಗಡನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
Nice program about our culture, our traditions, that we can guide to our future generation. Kids, thank you very much.
CFಯವರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಗೆ.
Thank you so much for conducting Janamela in this NCFE school Manduru. Actually, I thought that okay, this is for kids to know what were there in ancient time or our childhood. But really, I remember that my childhood, I don't know whether they felt happy or not, but extremely, it took me 25 to 30 years back actually. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆಗಾಲದ್ದು ಈ ಆಟ ಹಾಡು.
I want to thank NCF entire team for arranging this event, and I could remember when I was a kid, I used to play, and we didn't have a chance those days in school to have this arrangement where we can play and enjoy with our parents, and there was no situation where our parents have come and join with us to make this like this event. So I am really thankful to NCF